Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my squishies. Okay, let me open it. Okay, the first one is this cracker. It is really squishy. Ooh, it smells really good. I like this one. Oh, and sorry of the lighting. Okay. Little cutie. It's a donut, blue donut. Smells good too. And I have no clue what this is. It's not really surprising. They all smell the same. Another donut. Smells the same. Sorry, on our chair. And then I have bread, really squishy, one of my favorite ones. And I have a fish, really hard to squish. It's not slivers. It smells good. Then I have this bread. It smells the best so far. I like it. Oops. That's all that, sorry. Just joking. Here's my second favorite squishy. It's the banana, and I like it a lot. And then I have, my favorite one is this bunny. It is really squishy. I just like it. So those are all my squishies, and hope you like them. Bye-bye.